Samsung has redefined foldable phones with its Galaxy Z Fold lineup. And now, we're looking ahead to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to launch in 2025. Here's everything we know so far about Samsung's next big foldable. Samsung usually releases its foldable phones during the summer. So, it's safe to expect the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to make its debut around mid-2025. While Samsung hasn't revealed much yet, one thing is likely a powerful new processor. The Fold 7 is expected to match the Galaxy S25 lineup in performance, giving it top-tier speed and efficiency. Camera and design improvements? Of course. Samsung has consistently upgraded its foldables every year, and the Fold 7 should be no exception. But don't hold your breath for an S Pen slot. Samsung's Patrick Chomet told CNET that adding a slot could compromise the Fold's battery life, performance, and design, and Samsung isn't ready to make that trade-off just yet. In South Korea, Samsung launched a special, thinner version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, Samsung plans to release another variant like this for the Fold 7 next year. The future is folded. So, that's what we expect from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 powerful upgrades, sleek design, and possibly a thinner version. Stay tuned for more updates, and let us know in the comments what features you're hoping to see. Subscribe for more tech updates.